Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find your memories on the Pocket Love Good Life Sim application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take 5 minutes when the application is uploading. And go to the three lines at the upper left corner of the screen and click to the camera icon. And here you can find your memories, for example, pictures of cat and your dogs. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.